Hello students, our today's topic is define number range interval for cash journal document. For cash journal document, we will assign number range here. For that we can go by transaction, SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction and Cash Journal. Define number range interval for cash document. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal, and define number range for interval cash journal document. Enter your company code. यहाँ पर हमें नंबर रेंज डिफाइन करना है जो 01 से आएगा, क्योंकि सैप सिस्टम कैश जर्नल डॉक्यूमेंट 01 से सर्च करेगा. Enter your number range and then click on save button. Now we will set up cash journal. For that we can go by transaction code, SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Bank Accounting, Business Transaction, Cash Journal and set up cash journal. SAP में जाते हैं, come back and set up cash journal. Then click on new entries, or we can copy from standard, that is 001, copy it and just change your company code. Then change your cash journal name, your ledger, petty cash ledger, currency GBP, here we will set the document, that is AB reverse and KZ vendor payment and DZ customer payment. Check all items and cash journal name petty cash. Now press enter and then click on save button. Now click on create request, enter your description, define, set up cash journal. Now click on save button and then click on continue button.